Hey there, in this video, I will show you how to enable adult content on your Bluesky application. So first thing first, what you have to do is just open your Bluesky application. And from here, go to the three lines, as you can see here, just tap here. Now, from here, go to your settings. And from here go to moderation. Now as you can see, we can enable this from here, but this is currently we cannot do it from the application. So as you can see, there is a enable and disable button here, but we can't enable from the app. So that's why we have to go to the website of Bluesky, and the link is this. So what we have to do is just press this link and we will be redirected to Bluesky website. And this is the Bluesky website. So once you are in the website, we have to sign in, of course, because you are not signing in. So now you just need to press your username or email ID. Let me quickly type mine. Alright guys, so we have logged in to our account from the website, and we can now just go to the settings. Again, the same process we have done before. Go to settings and moderation, and now as you can see, we can successfully enable this button. Just enable it, and from here we can choose the choose the level of adult content. If you go to warm, it will show you a medium level. If you go to this, it will show you full adult content. So you can go to show everything, and now it is fully enabled. So after choosing these settings, you will be able to watch full adult content on Bluesky, and there will be no problem in doing so. So yeah, this is the video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.